Hi, welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we've got something pretty special for you. It is a 2019 MY19 Outlander LS. Now, as you can imagine, being on just over 5 kilometers, it is in beautiful condition. So I'm not going to spend too long on the condition. I am going to walk you through and show you the features, however. Now, being the LS model, you do get that really nice front end, the dynamic shield look that Mitsubishi has got on their new cars. The headlights, as you can see, do have a beautiful daytime running lamp running through them, which does add a whole lot of elegance to the front end, and it does help you be seen in the daytime. Now, down the bottom, you've also got the fog lights, and the headlights do have a very clear cutoff for their headlight beam. The iron bar color, once again, it is a beautiful color for the Outlander and very unique. I'm actually surprised we don't sell more of these. Now, the design of the wheels on these LS Outlanders is incredible. So you've got the chrome and black design with really good condition tires on them as well. So a very well designed vehicle. Now, the curves and edges along the sides of the car, once again, they are made for the aerodynamics and made to give you a much cleaner, smoother, noiseless drive. You've got the color match side mirrors and the door handles, and the indicator is actually built into the side mirror there. Now, being keyless entry, you do get the button on the door wheel, which will let you lock and unlock the car. Taking a look in the inside now, we'll just come around this way. On the inside, the seats, probably the best seats of the whole Outlander range. You do get that nice suede and leather look to them, and the interior design of it, once again, very, very comfortable car. I'll keep making our way along to the back of the vehicle. Not much to see here, considering how many windows this car gets. It does get a privacy glass on the back. Now, that is just a dyed glass, there's no tint on it, so please ask us about the darkest legal tint. On the back here, you've got that little roof lip that comes out the back. You've also got the rear park brake and your washer and wiper in the back there as well. You've also got the rear parking sensors and reverse camera to help you park. On the inside, plenty of space. Being the LS model, it is a 7-seater, but having the 7 seats, you don't actually lose any space in comparison to the 5. So it has also got a 50-50 split, so if you did want to have one passenger in the back, they can sit quite comfortably there. Now, up top, you've also got the cargo blind fitted, and just under here is a little bit more storage, and you can actually wind the spare wheel down from in here. Along the passenger side now, you have got the fuel filler cap on the passenger side, and not going to spend too long on the condition. Once again, it is effectively a brand new car, so beautiful condition all the way along, and it is very well designed. And in the diesel, it's truly a unique and well built vehicle. What we're going to do now though is pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Under the bonnet now, what we have is a 4-cylinder 2.3 litre turbo diesel engine with a 6-speed automatic gearbox. It is a very smooth drive. Now, ANCAP safety rating is 5 stars in these Outlanders, and let me tell you, considering the MyVec safety systems installed in these cars, I'd probably rate it a lot higher than 5 stars if I could. Now, power output is about 110 kilowatts with a torque rating of 360 newton meters of torque. You go to diesel fuel tank, which holds 60 liters, giving you a combined fuel consumption of an astounding 6.2 liters per 100, and an average fuel distance of about 968 kilometers from the full tank. Taking a look inside the Outlander LS now, on the driver's side door here, being the MY20, all 4 of your power windows are automatic. Above that is your central locking and your window lock, and above that again is the toggle for your power mirrors, including a button that will let you fold them in. Now, on the right hand side of the steering wheel, you've got your forward collision mitigation, distance control, and your lane departure warning. Now, if you want any more information on Mitsubishi's safety systems, please ask us about it because they are very extensive. Next to that is your parking sonar and 2 blank buttons if you wanted to add anything extra. On the right hand side here, you've got your headlight adjuster, so you can actually adjust the angle of your headlights, your traction control, 2 buttons that one button that looks like 2 credit cards, which will let you switch through what you see in the digital display. Now, on the right hand stalk here, you've got your indicators, fog lights, as well as your automatic headlights and automatic high beams. On the left hand side, you've got your washer and wiper controls. Now, wipers, once again, they are rain sensing. Now, behind the steering wheel, 2 large paddle shifters, which will let you actually switch through your gears manually. On the right hand side, you've got your cruise control with your distance control for your adaptive cruise there as well. On the left hand side, all your media controls. Having a look in the center display now, It is probably the best entertainment system in Mitsubishi's vehicles. You do get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, AM and FM radio, and you've also got your Bluetooth hands-free connectivity as well. Down the bottom, your dual zone climate control will let the passenger and driver switch through their temperatures individually. Down the bottom, a little storage for your keys, so if your vehicle's key battery does die, you just put it in there and you can still start the car. Then you've got a 12-volt socket, a USB input, and 2 cup holders which do cover up quite nicely. Now the shifter, you can drive it as a standard auto, or you can put it down into low for your low range gears if you are towing. Behind that, you've got your 4-wheel drive selector. You've also got an electric park brake, auto hold, the heated seat controls, and plenty of storage in that leather wrapped center console there. Behind the center console, you've got your rear air conditioning vents. But as I said on the outside, beautiful condition. Is nearly a brand new car, so I'm not going to spend too long on the whole condition of the interior, but very, very nice car to sit in. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video of this beautiful Outlander. I do have to mention I did make a mistake in the video. It is not an MY20, it is an MY19, so I do apologize for that. However, as you can see, on nearly 0 kilometers, it is effectively a brand new car. Therefore, it will qualify for the Platinum 1 protection plan. So ask us about that, because that is going to give you an extra 5 years on your new car warranty, and it will protect you for up to 200,000 kilometers on the clock. So it is awesome value. Now, the other thing I would recommend, considering the iron bar color, it is a very, very unique color. So look after it. Ask us about the glass coat, because you will get a lifetime warranty on your paintwork. It is going to protect it against many of Australia's harsh weather climates and keep it looking like a new car for as long as you own it. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to contact us. But before I go, you need to check out our Google reviews, because we are sitting on 4.8 stars with over 1,000 reviews from customers all over Australia. So it does show that you are buying a good quality vehicle from the right people. So the number to dial is 99070555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.